What's the story about compatible? Like not compatible. That is not compatible.
I mean, to tell you the truth, you know, Ja.
I heard a rumor about I don't know if it is.
To tell you the truth, because at the time when I sing that song there, I got through a breakup with my baby mother where everybody know. The whole, from you know Bugle, you know him baby mother,
Yeah.
because me and her did there way before the hype. So me and her still a wallet. And I got through a breakup with her at the time. But when I sing that song there, my next baby mother who I live with at the time, pregnant with my son. Because me and she done break up.
Yeah.
And I live with another girl and I get her pregnant. You see? And she pregnant and you know woman go through them phases when they're pregnant. And I think at the time like she did kinda I like she know I'm come out of the house. None at all. So she start get upset if she see me I put on a jeans, she get upset. And I say, yo, like me in the house about 3 days. I can't stay. I have to take a little break, man. And she vex and I just drive out. I don't say nothing to her, I just drive out. You overs? But I just really gonna free up my head still because I say, Jano, I know that little thing I know. I'm not try disrespect her or leave her on her own or nothing. But you know, I have to take a break to free up my head. Because if I just did it with her all along, I go feel clustered, I go feel like I'm in a prison, I don't want that. I have to go free up and then I come back and then me and her energy I go really hold the right way again. Me forward and say I go link Andrew Black show and Andrew Black studio. And forward around the studio and here, Craig from Voicemail a record pan the 4-play rhythm, which is the same rhythm when not compatible depend.
Yeah.
I actually love the song where Craig did a voice, but it was slack because at the time you have song like Conscience, Sit Down and them songs that run the place. Mm-hmm. So Craig actually have voice one of them songs, but it really slack. I'm actually stop him in the midst of him recording the song. I say, Andrew Blacks, I want to talk to Craig. Andrew Black says, so boom and stop and press the talk back button. And I say, yo bro. And I say, what go on my artist? I say, I'm there. I say, you want to know my G? That song there bad. I love it. But I feel like that song have to be one of the clean songs them. Where can play in the car when mama drop off the kids them go to school tomorrow morning. Mm-hmm. And him say, yeah, I know what you say now, my artist, but this the girl them want hear.
Yo.
Big woman thing. I don't think him forget that. I'm sure say Andrew Blacks not forget it because a conversation we have more than once. And I say, yeah, but and him say, yeah, DJ, I know, man, but this the girl them want. And I say, all right, my brother, sorry for disturb you. And I say, Blacks recording, because it probably work for him still. See? And Blacks say, so boom, on a record. I take up my phone, and I sit down in the corner, in the studio, and I start sing. Because I said to myself, say, yo, I go tell the girl them what them no want hear. Just like how Craig say, I tell them what them want hear, I go tell them what them don't want hear. I just sit down in the corner. You want go easy, bro. Me did a laugh and a voice this song come here. I say, I love this, you know, this nice. Baby, me would have there with you, but guess what? No healthy. And record the whole song from my phone and maybe about 20 minutes max. Every line. I sit down in the corner and just I listen to the rhythm while Andrew voice Craig and I made the song. Craig walk out of the studio when him done record. Andrew do what him do. Craig listen to the song and say I go in. Sunday night. And I say, Blacks, I go in at the booth, record me now. I'm going at the booth and within about 30 minutes I done sing the song not compatible. Come back out of the studio and listen to it about 3 times. I say, Blacks, it's have a vibe now, I go in because you don't know. And go home. And this was Sunday. And I think it's not the following Wednesday, it would have been the next week Wednesday. But then I studio down at Vineyard Town a record. Come out of the studio and say a million missed call. I call my manager first at the time, Corey. And say, yo, what go on? Because I get beer call, everything good? And him say, yeah man, everything good. That song there, a Ufa song. I say, which song you talk? I say, one song we crew and play for about 15 minutes. I say, you have to tell me which song. I don't know which song. I still don't know. He say, one song where it sound like you talk about your baby mother, man. I'm a laugh. I'm a laugh. Yeah. And I say, what go on? The man say, oh, that'll go be the biggest song
You took the rhythm?
Yeah, and I say really, and him say yeah. And I say alright, don't say a word. I call Chrome. Because I get missed call from Chrome too. I say Chrome, what go on? Chrome say, Bugle, if I follow them people and I play not compatible for the whole day, this is going to be your biggest song. So in truth and in fact, it's sometimes things in your head and it come out and you don't even know, because music for me start process. You over what I say? So sometimes it's not a direct confrontation per se. But because it's done in your head and the rhythm you give you the vibes. When you happen to done sing the song, you actually talk about your situation and don't even realize your situation.
True.
But it wasn't a direct thing when I sing a song about my baby mother.
Yardstyle live.